Hi friends, welcome back to my natural hair care series where I teach you everything you need to know to start your natural hair care journey. Today we are covering a very in-depth topic, moisture versus protein. Oh. Yes, that is really me trying to flex. But we're going to do it in a simple and easy to understand way so that you can start giving your hair what it needs today. Look at me, right? Really quick, I want to give a shout out to my mother-in-law Barbara, who gave me these earrings, these silver hoops. They seem to match with everything and I love them and I wear them all the time, so thanks. Jumping right in, guys. I must be in like a Mexican wrestling mood or something. I don't know what's going on with me today. Serious face. Moisture. This is what makes hair soft. You get it from water. The only thing that gives your hair its needed moisture is water. The products that advertise moisturizing are just products that contain ingredients that help our hair absorb and retain that water. Ingredients like aloe vera, shea butter, cetearyl alcohol, I'm not sure how to say that one, glycerin and other humectants, and also emollients like oils. Protein is what makes our hair strong. Our hair is made up of 70% amino acid chains called keratin. It's made by the body and can be affected by what we eat, but can also be supplemented with vitamins and products that we put on our hair. Products that contain ingredients like keratin, anything with the word hydrolyzed in front of it, like hydrolyzed wheat protein, hydrolyzed silk protein, anything that contains the word collagen, or anything that contains the word amino acids. Now, our hair needs both moisture and protein to be happy and healthy. Hair that has a good balance of moisture and protein will be soft, shiny, bouncy, have less frizz, be able to hold a curl well, pretty much all of the things that we're looking for. When hair starts feeling stringy, weak, or frail, won't hold a curl well, that's when we start seeing people throw around the terms moisture overload and protein overload. And I am guilty of this as well, but it is actually pretty hard to get into an overload state. Most of the time, if you are feeling changes in your hair, you can simply adjust your next wash day in response and achieve noticeable results. To do this, we are going to use the scientific method. I warned you I was in a weird mood today. Step 1, hypothesize. First, I just want you to think about how your hair has been feeling lately before you even look at it. Has it been extra tangly, dry, brittle, or straw-like when you touch it? If so, these can be possible symptoms of having too much protein and needing moisture. If it has been feeling limp, lifeless, mushy, or gummy, these could be signs that it has too much moisture and it needs protein. See if you can guess which one your hair needs simply by how it feels. Step number 2, observe visible characteristics. Okay, now you can look at your dry hair in the mirror. What do you see? Is it extra frizzy? Does it look dull, like the color is fading and losing its shine? Does it look more greasy towards the roots or about the same all the way through? Record what symptoms you are seeing that you don't like and you want to change. Step number 3, wet and clarify hair. Okay, now we are finally going to wash our hair, and make sure you bring your clarifier into your shower with you. I want you to clarify your hair in place of your normal shampoo. Clarifying products give you a deeper cleanse than a normal Curly Girl Method approved shampoo would. And no, I don't recommend clarifying with a sulfate shampoo. There are many products that use natural clarifying ingredients that also give you a deep, thorough cleanse without stripping your hair of what it needs. These products use ingredients like willow bark, tea tree oil, micellar water. There's all sorts of things that can be used as a clarifier. Excuse me. This step simply eliminates the possibility of buildup as the cause of your hair symptoms. Step 4, perform the wet strand test. Once your hair is clarified, Take a strand that is inevitably on your shoulder or the wall, we all know what I'm talking about, and put each end in one hand and start to slowly pull it apart. If you start to pull the strand and it immediately breaks, your hair needs moisture. If you start to pull the strand and it pulls for a bit and then breaks, then you're balanced. And if you pull the strand and it just seems to pull so long and you have to work really hard to break it, then you need to add some protein. Again, no, I do not recommend performing this test on dry hair. Hair is happiest when it's wet, so this will give us a more accurate reading of its actual strength and elasticity balance. Step number 5, treat accordingly. Cool, the hard part's done. Now we just condition our hair with whatever we discovered it needs. If you need moisture, then I recommend replacing your normal conditioner with a deep conditioner this wash. Put it on for about 10 or 15 minutes before rinsing. It really helps it seep in and absorb and retain the moisture that your hair is needing. Now, if you need protein, my favorite thing to do, which I actually did today, is to mix a little bit of protein treatment in with my normal conditioner. When I add the protein treatment, I only leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing. Alternatively, you can simply use your normal conditioner, rinse it out, and then style with products that contain protein in the first 3 to 5 ingredients. This is a more conservative method, so if you've never added protein to your hair before, this is the safer way to start. Done. Now that you are a hair balance expert, be sure to share this video with your friends and spread the knowledge. I love knowledge. I love learning about things that I'm interested in, doing research. That's why I created this channel, so I could share all of the things that I learn with you guys. Until next time, I will see you later, and adios.